In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Wix. If you're running an online business, integrating these two platforms can be a game changer. Klaviyo is one of the most powerful email marketing tools out there, and Wix is a fantastic platform for building and managing your website. By connecting them, you can streamline your marketing efforts, collect customer data efficiently, and create personalized experiences for your audience. The process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure everything works perfectly. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website and enter your email and password. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button and you'll be taken to your Klaviyo dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage all your campaigns, analytics, and integrations, so it's a good idea to get familiar with this interface. Next, locate your profile option on the dashboard. Usually this is found in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will open up a menu where you can access various account settings. From here, navigate to the integration section. This is where you'll manage all the platforms that Klaviyo can connect to. Once you're in the integration section, look for the option to add a new integration. You'll see a button labeled Add Integrations. Click on it, and this will bring up a search field where you can find the integration you're looking for. In this case, type Wix into the search field. As you type, the Wix integration should appear in the results. Now, click on the Wix integration from the search results. This will take you to the installation page for the Wix integration. On this page, you'll see an Install button. Click the Install button to begin the integration process. Don't worry, this is a simple and automated process, so Klaviyo will guide you through the next steps. After clicking Install, you'll see an option to connect to Wix. Click on Connect to Wix, and you'll be redirected to the Wix login page. At this point, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Enter your Wix username and password to access your account. Once you've successfully logged into your Wix account, Klaviyo will request permissions to access your Wix data. This is an essential part of the integration process, as Klaviyo needs access to certain information from your Wix site to function properly. You'll be presented with a list of permissions. Take a moment to review these permissions, and when you're ready, accept them. Finally, confirm the integration to complete the process. Once you've accepted the permissions, Klaviyo and Wix will be officially connected. You should now see the integration listed in your Klaviyo integration section, and you'll be ready to start leveraging the power of both platforms together. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Klaviyo with Wix. This connection will allow you to sync customer data, automate email campaigns, and enhance your marketing strategy with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.